Alright guys, Dark Horse here. I'm gonna do a video today. I'm gonna be installing colored LED bulbs into the 2002 Mitsubishi Montero license plate light. So here we go. So first you're going to remove each screw. Oh shoot, I scratched my car. You're gonna unscrew each screw for each light for the license plate, and then we remove the old bulb. Price much? Or just broken exhaust? Don't know. Alright, this one. Yeah, I am at work on my break. I wanted to do this earlier this morning, but I didn't have time this morning. And I had to run. So now I'm doing it now. And it's super cold. It's like 17 degrees right now. Okay, so now that the lights are out, unscrewed, we can disconnect them and plug in the new ones. Okay, so what you gotta do is to twist it out of the plate light and then pull it out. I can't really show. Oh, I lost the screw. I lost the screw. I lost the screw. Oh my god, no. The bulb's out. You have to basically just pull the old ones out, put the new ones in. So now I'm going to test it, see how they work, if they even light up. And yeah. Now it's then also your option to put bulb grease into the connections in the sockets and on the bottom of the bulb too, if you want. Just personal preference. Okay, we got the lights working. Tested both of them, they're both on. So now time to put everything back together. Done. Got both lights in, both are screwed in, and yeah, looks pretty good. I got the bulbs from Amazon for like 16 bucks for a 6-pack, so I got 4 more that I could use. Says that they can be used on like the auxiliary lights on the side and the front. I'll probably change those, but keep these for now. Do that another day. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Oh, and shout out to my girl Ellie for helping me out.
It's cold.
Holding the light. It is cold. Alright, so see you guys in the next video. Peace.